Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.1, Problem 16. This is Section 2.1, Problem 16. It says, write the fraction represented by the figure, and we have a figure that is basically a circle split into several parts, and some of them are shaded. So what fraction is represented by this picture? So first of all, how many parts is our picture split into? So you can just start anywhere and count them up. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. So our drawing is split into 8 parts. Now, how many of those 8 parts are shaded? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the 8 parts are shaded. So we have something split into 8 parts, and we get 5 of them. So that picture represents the fraction 5/8. The denominator, 8, is how many parts the entire thing is split into. The numerator, 5, is how many of those parts we get, or in this case, how many are shaded.